How much should you expect to pay for dryer vent cleaning? If you've been searching this, you may see a lot of inconsistent results with the price. Some places in coupon books and Facebook will advertise $50, $79, even $99. And be aware that at that price, you're not going to get your full dryer vent system cleaned. They're probably just going to clean it from the outside with a brush, be there for about 15-20 minutes, and leave, and still leave your house a fire hazard because they didn't clean the other key areas of the dryer vent system. So what questions should you ask when you're booking a dryer vent cleaning? Number one question to ask is, do you go on the roof or do you clean the exterior vent if it's on the side of your house? A lot of companies don't go on the roof, they don't go on 2 stories, or you'll book them for $79 and then they'll charge like $200 to go on the roof. So ask if cleaning the roof is included. And why is this important? Well, in my 9 to 10 years of doing dryer vent cleaning, the number one cause of people's dryers not drying, they're going to the laundromat, it's taking forever, that is because it is clogged on the roof. So if they clean everything else but the roof, your clothes will probably not dry correctly and your house will still be a fire hazard. The only way to clean a clog from the roof is to actually go up on the roof and clean it, or to clean it through the attic, but that's a lot more difficult. The next thing to ask is if they clean the inside of the dryer. Everybody knows that dryer vent is a fire hazard. A clogged dryer vent, if you don't clean your dryer vent, it's a fire hazard. But it's not just the dryer vent. Most of the fires will actually start inside the dryer. The lint will be built up in there no matter what type of dryer you have. If you used it for 6 months to a year, there's going to be flammable lint inside the dryer. Flammable lint inside the dryer. No matter how good they try to seal it, the dust is so fine that it gets in there and then it starts to build up. So ask them if the price includes cleaning the inside of the dryer. Next is if they clean the transition vent. This is the vent that connects the dryer to your actual house. This is very important because if your dryer, God forbid, does go on fire, if you have a dirty or the wrong type of dryer vent, then this could cause the fire to spread to the actual structure of your house. So here are the areas to ask for if you are booking a dryer vent cleaning, and then I'm going to tell you what price I think is fair as a person with experience cleaning dryer vents. Ask them if they go on the roof. If they say they don't go on the roof, hang up the phone, don't book. Ask if they clean the inside of the dryer. Ask if they clean the transition vent, and ask what kind of testing do they do. Airflow test with an airflow test. There's a lot of temperature tests. There's a lot of tests they could do. So if they checked all of these boxes and all of this stuff is included, the service should take around 45 minutes to an hour and a half max, and the price that you should pay should be around $200 now. When I first started, it was like $100, $150, but now usually the price that I've seen at different places are from like $179 up to $249, depending if you have a 1-story or a 2-story. But if you don't want to pay that, check out this video here and learn how to clean your dryer vent yourself.